Are you trying to use your tumble dryer when all of a sudden demo mode shows on the display? Well, let me show you how quickly this can be fixed. With demo mode, programs are simulated but don't actually start. You can deactivate demo mode by using the following steps. First, switch the tumble dryer off using the on-off button. Press and hold the start/pause key for 3 seconds until you hear a beep. Then switch the appliance on using the on-off button, but don't hold it down, otherwise the demo mode will not deactivate. At this point, demo mode is deactivated and you can select a normal program. We hope this information was helpful in solving your problem. For any further support, please reach out to us on our live chat or our website.